Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have for you Born Electric from Mahindra and Mahindra, having that beautiful infinity sign here, and this is the 9E actually. So a very luxurious car, I'll say, and we will give you a lot of feature updates today on this, right? So starting from the front, if you see that you have a long DRL in the front. If I just press the button for you, that's the unlock button, and that's the lock button which you see, uh, right. So this looks really cool. You have in the headlight projector lenses there, and in the fog lamps also. It looks very crystal clear. So it looks a very beautiful, what I'll say, headlamps designed by Mahindra, and you have that all the way going LEDs all the through from here to down there. You have those parking sensors here. You have these vents for cooling up the batteries. So if you are in traffic conditions, they open, these vents open, and then at the highway they shut down for higher performance, so that your coefficient of drag is not very high. You have a camera here built in, you can see here in the front, and this is a top end model. So you have basically 5 radars in this, which is ADAS level 2. So there are a lot of things in this vehicle and it is going to be a very long review, so I'll keep it short with basic parameters. If you talk about the wheel size, it has very big wheels, I'll say. So that's the size 245, 55 or 90. You can see here they are special tires, that's having different patterns, and this is soft compound, has what I'll say, foam inside, uh, so that they has, this is noiseless, कोई आवाज़ नहीं आती इसमें. You have side claddings, beautiful side claddings painted, as you can see, and the side profiles looks very cool. You have a fixed roof on the top, uh, which looks really beautiful, and you some have graphics which also glows, which I'll show you from the inside, right? If you go at the back here, right, you have that batching XCV9E, and then you have a camera here, then you have the tail lamp. If I just put a lock unlock sign, you can see that's how it goes. You have a demister at the back, you have a spoiler integrated, shark fin antenna, the basics is there, and then you have a beautiful integrated handle here at the rear, right, and integrated handlebars even on the driver and pelon side. You can see cameras also here on both sides. So if you're cornering, you have the blind spot, so the camera will come in on the driver screen. So that facility is also there. And the best part is that if you see in here, you see these signs, right? So it's ultraviolet protected, these glasses, and very acoustically protected also, because the sound quality of this inside, it's great. You have 16 speakers, so it has a layer in between these glasses. So noise cancellation is really good. बहुत अच्छा है noise cancellation इस गाड़ी का अगर आप अंदर जाते हैं. So this is what you see. This is from the outside, and let me take you in by just unlocking it. You see it's outside, so it's NFC enabled if you have that in your phone. So this is some memory settings here, if you see. So already whatever memory was set earlier, the seat position comes to its standard, what I'll say, adjustments, right? It's electronic adjusted from here. You have 3 different memories here, and then basic, what I'll say, buttons for operations of your side view mirrors, and the best part is that you have also have cup holders, ambient lighting also, it's inside. If it's in the evening, it's easier to show, otherwise very difficult to show in the morning. If you come inside, right, the seat is coming back to the position as required. And for this particular model, right, what you can really do is where you keep these keys normally, either in your pocket or up glove box में रखते हो. But for this, you have a dedicated space in your uh, armrest area where you can place this, right, very easily. So कहीं खोएगी नहीं अब, है ना. So there is plenty amount of space in here. You have two cup holders here. You have a toggle here. You have direct buttons which can go directly to the sound, fan speed, home button, and on the My Vehicle application. You have a beautiful gear knob here. As you can see, you have different modes. I'm not sure you can see or not because it's really sunny. Yeah, now you can see. So you have parking mode, which comes in P, and then reverse, neutral, and D. So these are the basic modes what you get. Then you have a auto hold button here, and to engage handbrake you can just press this and the handbrake is engaged. For wireless charging also is given here, right. A lot of space inside also, and then you can also charge it by C type chargers, right, what you get in iPhones, 12 onwards, and then you can close it also. This is also a display. If I switch on the car, it will come live, right. And just to show you few speakers areas, two are here, two are there, two on the top, and then you get at the back. Then you also have a subwoofer in the boot, and then you have another mic in the middle. I'm not sure where you can see or not. It's just behind this headrest, right. You have beautiful perforated seats, you can see. So you get that cooling effect whatever is in the cabin, right. And it's really beautiful I'll say material use for these seats, very comfortable. And ELR seat belts definitely have those 7 airbags, curtain airbags, front airbags, rear airbags. That's how you see that. You have a baseless what I'll say IV inner rear view mirror, sorry for that. So, and you have a camera also, and it also records your what I'll say, it works as a dash cam if you put a slot inside for what I'll say what you call a SD card. Also for the passenger side, very newly designed sun visors, right. And it's for the extra protection of the sun. And then you have mirror also here, and if I switch on the car from a button, press of a button, it lights up. That's how it lights up, right. So it's present on passenger side as well as I'll say driver side. The mirror is not there, but the protection is there, so that is quite good. For safety points, it's not been kept. Okay, so you have probably 12.3 inches screen in front of you, which looks really cool, really beautiful, and it's worth the cost for this vehicle. No other manufacturer at this price you'll get this sort of luxury in the car. And they are seamless working. And so I've been using, and what I'll say, playing with this functionality. You will love this car if you're going to buy it and take it on long drive, right. These are haptic buttons, so you also feel the touch when you're doing when you are using these buttons, so you have a confirmation that okay, it's been active. You also have different plus minus modes, a shoe button here basically, and an energy button here. So basically this is a boost button. If you press it, it gives you a boost for 10 seconds, so it accelerates your car very quickly, right. And this is a single paddle button, right. If you activate, so it's for the convenience. You can increase and decrease from here as per your choice, and also you have cruise control, which is quite normal in other cars also. You have a horn button, you have a voice dialing facilities, and if you go inside, there are many features which comes in. So let's come to a basic features, basically what normally everybody use it these days. So this is a home screen in which you can see a weather information is there. That's partly sunny here, right? And the place is there, the temperatures is there of both sides, so it's a climate control zone, so you can set different zones and different temperatures on both sides. Even the driver can have totally separate cabin temperatures, right? Seats can be also adjusted accordingly. So this is on the guest mode. If you want to give a car to the valet or someone else, you don't want him to use your internal settings, you can put this guest mode here, right? You have a hotspot, you have a Bluetooth to connect with, and there are different settings for brightness, device level, etc, etc, right? Okay, so coming back onto the applications, so this is what you get, some basic features inbuilt from here. And if you go inside, there are a lot of other features which comes in, and you can add your favorites onto this what else here, dashboard. So it's basically from Mahindra, called MAIA library, Maya library, that's what they call it, right? So if you go on the climate part, you can see such beautiful setting. It's neatly placed, the resolution is so good in his in this, right? 19 million sort of colors you will see here. So you can sync it with the driver and passenger side, you know, front at the back. You have smart features also. You have a clear view. If you put clear view, your front glass will get clear, you know, without any much time taken. Then you can put different modes according to your settings. Going back, let me take that off. Going back onto the part, you can see your battery management and your charging cycles here. You know, you can have some battery preconditioning. So if you want to charge your vehicle, it prepares itself accordingly. It will give you a range, and with climate off, what will be the range there, with like climate control if it's off, you know. So it does affect your battery life, how much options you are putting it off. So you can put it in different level, low, medium, high. If you go on the battery part, it will show you the consumption part, as how many trip consume, overall consumption, accumulated, as all this accumulated consumption is around 47%. Climate control is taking a lot of, which is 53%, you know. So you can also have a power saving mode, where it will save maximum power, disable quite a lot of features in the vehicles, right? So which you don't want actually to use it while, if you really want a long range in the vehicle, right? Okay, going back, you have media entertainment, right, which is radio is already running here, you know. So this is what you all guys are aware with. You have different what else, frequency bands, right? And then you can also play videos here in this screen also, which is a passenger screen. Yeah, so you can put YouTube here also, and it will start working. So you can have parallel screen, or you can swap from this screen to that screen, and that screen to this screen. So this is basically CID, this is PID. This is for passenger, this is for the whoever is sitting here, and this is the driver screen basically. So there are 3 screens. And then you go on the vehicle part, there are different modes, where you can see this is a default mode. So this is basically been set as the factory setting, so that if you're new to the vehicle, you adopt to the driving condition, because that's a lot of power, which is instant, you know. The torque is also instant, so you have to be very careful while you're driving this vehicle initially. Then you have a race mode here. If you click on the flag here, so the ambience changes, it goes red, you know, you want to drive faster. Then you have a everyday mode, which is a sort of a whitish, you know. This also changes, so color also changes according to your driving modes. Then you want a long range, it comes on the greener part, you know. So that's what it is. Very, very interesting and very nice. Then you have exteriors and interiors also, in which you have tailgate settings. You can have different settings in this. You can have tire settings, you have TPS monitor also, auto learn, it will learn if you have changed your tires and all. once you bought this vehicle, you can go inside. There are a lot of features in this, so I'm just giving you an overview. You can lock and unlock your doors, mirror adjustment. You have a tilt option also in this, where it tilts significantly if you're parking in a tight space and you always want that this mirror should go down, you know, to take the car back when you're starting. It will come automatically if you click on this feature, right? Also on the security part, there are different securities. You can have your SD card also for an emergency recording, and if you want to format also, you can format and then you can re-record. Okay, on the lighting part, there are different lighting which you can switch off, switch on, like DRLs, carpet lamps, welcome, goodbye, animations light, all that. So it saves on your battery packs also. Then service mode is also there. And then the interior part, as you see in front of you, is the ambient light and Vision X. As I told you, safety and convenience. So in the Vision X part, it's also what I'll say, a head-up display which comes in here, which you won't see it just now. It's very difficult to show you, but it looks really nice. All the things comes onto the front screen, you know, which really adds up to the luxury, I'll say, and it looks really cool. You have different ambient lighting or according to your mood, you know, and this all lightings goes green if you touch it. If I suppose click on the autumn part, you can see it's changing, right? Sorry. Okay, so since it's daylight, it's very difficult. So ambient lighting is here also, at the back also. And if I show you this roof, it's also on this infinity sign which has been printed on this glass, right? So it also changes in the night. It's very easier to see that. I hope you're loving this small review, I'll say, right? On the safety part, passenger airbag, if you want, you can switch it off. It's up to you. So these are some some good features which has been in the My Vehicle app, right? And let me take you back onto the main menu. On the settings fast, you have some journal settings, you have display settings, right? Where you can change the appearance if you are there in the day and the night, you know. So that's how it behaves then accordingly. See, it's gone a little brighter since we're in the daylight, so you can adjust it accordingly. On the audio part, yes, it's Dolby Atmos 5.1.2, so it's sound quality is really amazing, you know, sound experience. So I think it's inbuilt also by A.R. Rahman. You can experience that, and you have a eco mode, opera mode, where you can sing also, you know, inside the vehicle, and it will come out from your speakers, you know. So that's on this basic speed, and it's powered by Harman Kardon, which is really good in the acoustic mode. You can customize your equalizer also if you want. And what else? Sounds and volume. There are lot of what I'll say features which you can use according to your. So then you have a sonic suite also, in which again, as your mood is, all the lights according to music will sync according to your mood which is there. Okay, on the connectivity part, it's 5G equipped, you know. You have a Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, you know, and it's all been you know, very well placed. Also, you have this vehicle applications part, where if you click on the 360 camera, it gives you a 3D view image. It also have a auto park feature, which I might explain you in a different what I'll say video, because it takes a lot of things to do it, because you have an open space there where you have a parking. So I'll just show you very quickly. You have two buttons here. So suppose if you parked, you want to park in a very tight space, both sides are cars, you cannot open your door, so you can step outside, you can unlock your car, you can activate this parking auto parking feature, and you just have to long press this particular button to park it inside, you know. If you, so the car will go inside and it'll stop. You need to select also the area where it has to stop. So that I can cover detail in a different video. So this is how you're going to have you know, a 360 view of your vehicle. right? You can have frontal view also, you can have rear view also. So they are different views because they are different. They have almost around 5 cameras, and it's ADAS level 2. So this is how it comes up with, right? You have a virtual parking also, parking in, parking out, which I have told you, parking out with the help of a button. You can also use your ME4U app, which Mahindra gives you, where you can also operate it from your mobile phone, right? Okay, so what else to cover? There are a lot of things to cover in, so I think we have covered this air conditioning part, HVAC, and then we can come up back here on to the media and entertainment part. Okay, there are selfie modes, there are groove modes. So basically in groove mode what happens, if you start the show, basically it will sync with your what I'll say, see, it started, it's sync with your music, and you can see the lights are flashing. This will be also flashing. If you can see, this is also flashing, that the roof so the car lights up like anything, you know. It will give you a very nice show chord. It will sync with your music and you will feel that you are in a club basically. So that's what Groove Me